Okay, y'all asked for it and now y'all got it. Here go part 2 of Product of My Environment. I'm about to go a little bit deeper just in case I ain't go deep enough for you in part 1. Which I know the real $1,000,000 question is, what keeps most in the shit who even know what I know about the shit, man? And one of them things, man, be insecurities. A lot of these niggas out here is way more insecure than most females, man. That's why they use them cars, rims, money, jewelry, tricking at the club and all that shit, constantly in strip clubs, man, overcompensate for what they know they lacking. So most niggas, like I said, use that money and shit like that to distract the motherfucker for who they really is as a person. Like, even the most slimiest nigga out here, long you goddamn it tricking good, picking up the tab at restaurants and buying motherfucker shoes and clothes, and even if it's the niggas kids who's either locked up or dead because of his ass, people gonna consider that a real nigga when really he's overcompensating to distract the motherfucker that he's either one who put the nigga in the ground, was the one who backdoored the nigga for the same money he's spending on your ass or your kids, and all type of other shit. And another big one is motherfuckers feeling like they nothing without it. Once you reach a point where you define your whole being based on what you got and what you can show, whether in person or on the internet, you fucked, because a real nigga gon' goddamn it be the same whether he's broke, busted, and disgusted, sitting in a prison cell, or goddamn it free out here in the world without as much as he had when he was in the streets, or even more than what he had in the streets. But real motherfucker ain't gonna let you know the difference any goddamn way, because it's gonna be the same straight up and down regardless of what the situation is. They ain't gonna let money be the determining factor of them being happy, sad, goddamn it, excited, or none of that shit, because when you reach a point in your life where money don't move you, man, that's a great place, because it was once a point in my life, goddamn it, where money, goddamn it, ruled every aspect of my life. I couldn't sit down and get a proper meal, goddamn it, without chasing every dollar, or that phone ring, goddamn it, I was on top of it. Neglecting time I could have been spending at the crib, or really even taking trips and living my best life. Too busy worried about if I wasn't there to fulfill the role, shit wasn't gonna get done right, I was gonna miss this or miss that. But now I'm in a place where none of that shit matter. Why? Because it becomes a time in your life where you gotta decide what's more important to you. Is you gonna wait till, goddamn it, them cuffs is on your motherfucking wrist, or you staring down a barrel of a gun, goddamn it, debate whether or not, damn, I should have been home, or damn, I wish I was with my family, or first thing niggas scream in the courtroom is, I got kids and shit. But was your kids more important to you when you was out there, goddamn it, taking risks and throwing bricks at the penitentiary? Because I don't give a fuck who you is, man. Your kids ain't that materialistic where they gonna tell you, daddy, I choose them motherfucking Air Maxes or that book bag or whatever over you going to prison, especially if they know the chances that you taking over that shit. So a lot of that shit just be in our own mind and a way of justifying us doing whatever the fuck we doing. So like I said, man, you gotta come to that point where you decide what's more real till you goddamn it before it's too late. Speaking of loss, that's why we got a generation of niggas that don't mind spend 10, 20,000 on some rims or a car, but don't even goddamn it have enough money left to bury themselves when they get killed out here in these streets, or misguiding all the youngsters out here to thinking that's the way, tricking on females, going to strip clubs and all type of other frivolous shit, spending unnecessary money on designer but don't even take care of their kids and shit. And that's acceptable amongst a lot, but for me, that's sucker shit. And me personally, I don't give a fuck about getting no flack from niggas that feel like it apply to them or not, because if the shoe fits, then wear that motherfucker. It's just that simple. A old head told me a while back, man, in these streets, man, you can get lucky 364 days out of the year, man, and the police only gotta get lucky once. I mean, I don't give a fuck how long you think you skating or getting by with your shit. It's gonna hit the fan one day, and what makes it even worse is it ain't even gotta be by your own sloppiness, or you just out here reckless or just doing the most and drawing attention to yourself. They got all these rat ass niggas out here that's gonna help assist these people bring you down for numerous of reasons, just to get you out the way to make way for itself, or either shit about these females, shit, all type of stupid ass reasons, man. That's another thing about the game. Motherfuckers' motives and shit and agendas for getting real niggas out of here don't even have no real substance to the shit. That's what disgusts me the most, and definitely a prime reason why I ain't even making myself a target of that bullshit. All I can do is get a motherfucking game based on real life experiences. Like, for example, like my book, Live Greedy or Die Hungry, or my YouTube page, Life of Greed. Yeah, that shit probably got a nice ring to it the most, but that shit's really from the heart and really speak on real life experiences that could have cost a motherfucker my life on too many occasions to count. Prison sentences did 2 of those behind that same motto, that same mentality of goddamn it, live greedy or die hungry, get rich or die trying, or shit, you only live once. All that shit straight stupidity. But we grow up learning that shit, man, watching old heads or older motherfuckers from our ways that's look like they living a good life because they got the cars, they got the females, they got the jewelry, clothes, and all that shit that come with the game and making it look good, but really they more miserable off than most motherfuckers. You can't name too many motherfuckers at the height of their career can tell you they feel better than the regular working class nigga that ain't gotta watch over his shoulder every 2 seconds, that go home with his family after a shift is over with, you know, to a nice home cooked meal, able to take vacations, trips, and, you know, just live a good life, versus the nigga that's in the streets that's constantly watching over his shoulder, who know a motherfucker ready to get him out the game at any second, who envy him to the fullest and want everything that he got and everything that he stand for. So with all that in mind, when you done really been there, done that, and it's no secret to you, and you know how serious the game could get, only a fool in his right mind would stay in that shit, period. Cause I'm far from one-sided with the shit. Like, I ain't always been where I'm at right now, but one thing for sure, 2 things for certain. Any niggas that was following, running up under me, that I was goddamn showing how to do wrong, I was teaching them how to be the best at it. So same goes to apply on this positive shit. Now that I'm on what I'm on, I'm trying to teach niggas how to be the best at that, cause I can only show motherfuckers what I knew at the time. And like I said, now that growth is involved, I can show them a better way. Now, what you do with it, that's your call. Not everybody's gonna be apt to listen, and that's cool. Like I said, you can skip through all this shit, don't watch it at all. But anybody who know me know I always got them to try to lead people in the right direction, even when I was doing wrong. And that's it.